guys, we're gonna be trying the new came out watermelon flavored cool drink in South Africa. So we'll be back just now to show you what we are gonna be drinking. Thank you, Daddy. Okay, guys, I forgot to mention we have a birthday. Can you all say happy birthday to her? Happy birthday. Okay, as we were saying, this is the cool drink that we are gonna be drinking. Don't show them. Guys, want a close up? Closer look. Show. Look at red. Look at red. Look at red.
So we gonna have a try.
Guys, look at the bubbles. Yeah. Okay, we are gonna be trying all of these flavors. I can't wait to try it. Let's try. It's good. Definitely get this. Just for you guys to know, we live in South Africa.
Constant.
Anyways, and I go to Constantia and she goes to what's her name?
Lavona.
So that's the schools that we go to. We are gonna be giving her a brand new iPhone. All you have to do is comment down below
And like and subscribe.
and we'll send and we will choose the winner from the comments. So make sure to like and subscribe if you wanna win a new iPhone. Okay. So guys, I wanna show you something beautiful. We're gonna be back right now. Okay guys, this is the beautiful cake. It looks so delicious. I can't wait to try it with this. And look here, what else we are gonna be eating. This is so yum. I mean,
Guys, look.
and we have to sing happy birthday. So can everyone just say happy birthday in the comments for her? She's gonna choose from the comments who is gonna win the brand new iPhone. So all you have to do is comment happy birthday and like and subscribe.
Guys,
And
just finish mine.
And we'll choose from the comments. That's all for now. Bye guys. Have a nice evening.